Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to make glitch plus zoom effect in Capcut. First, let's watch the preview.
Não vale a pena mentir, você já perdeu a confiança. Vai, me trai, puta, vai, me trai, vai, me trai, puta, vai, me deixa embora.
Okay, let's start the video. I already arranged my clip, so now we just need to add effect. At first, add 2 keyframes in first clip, like I am doing. After doing that, in second keyframes, do little zoom. By doing this, we need to add graph for a smooth zoom effect. Go on graph and select ease out. Where is ease out? There. After doing this, do the same process in entire clip. After adding zoom effect in every clip, simply come in first clip and go in video effect. Simply search bad TV. Here in first one, select and make it shorter, like I am doing. After doing this, go select the effect and go on object and select all video. By doing this, it's time to adjust. Go on adjust and add keyframe. In first keyframe, leave it. Now go in simply second keyframe. Do intensity up to 17 to 18, like this, and effect graph same is out. Duplicate it 2 to 3 times, max to max 3 to 4 times, and apply in every clip. After adding all this effect in every clip, now simply our video is almost ready. Again, go on effect, source oblique blur, and add. It's for simply little blurry part. To make it shorter, little smaller than that effect. Go on object and again add keyframes in first clip. Blur 100, don't touch the rotate. 40 to around 50 to 40, all 0. Only duplicate it 1 times and add in every clip.
If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Capcut tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.